Hello, welcome back. My name is Laura from Hippo, and today I'm gonna test this product with you. It's our M29. It's the one I'm using right now. Keep watching to see the texting. This is our how-to-use video for our M29. Keep watching to understand our product. Hola, hola, hola. Hola, hola, hola. This product is really easy to use. Just plug and play. The sound you're hearing, it comes directly from our wireless microphone M29. The one you are watching right now. Hola, 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 hola. 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 Hola, 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 hola. Hola, 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 hola. Hola, 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 hola. Hola, 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 hola. Hola, 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 hola. Hola, hola, hola. If you want to know more about the newest products in China, you can follow us on our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. See you there. Bye-bye.